We're going to be talking about the general method of constructing any polygon when given the length of the side. So in this case, the first thing you have to do is to draw one side AB and extend it to the left. So assuming we have a polygon whose side is, let's say 3 should we say 4? Yes, let's say 3 centimeters. So I'll measure the length of the side to be 3 here, from 3 to 6, from a span of 3 to 6. So this is the length. Then I'll extend it to the right. So this is AB. It has a span of 3 centimeters rather. Now the next step is to bisect that length. So, but first of all, you always center A and radius AB. You draw a semicircle and divide it by trial into as many equal parts as the required polygon has sides. So we are going to construct a semicircle on AB. We center A. So I will extend it right now. So basically, we are going to divide this semicircle into as many equal parts as the number of sides. So in this case, if we have let's say we have let's say 4 sides in this. Okay, let's make it 5. Let's say we have 5 sides here. So we're going to be dividing, or let's make it 6. If we have 6 sides, we're going to be dividing this into 6 sides. So here we have this in semicircle, we have the angles of 180 degrees. So when we divide 180 degrees into 6 sides, that will be 180 divided by 6. So each of those angles will be 30. We'll be using an interval of 30, 60, 90, 120, 180. Sorry, 120, 150, 180. So we're going to be joining those divisions to the center A, which is also the center of the semicircle. So you can see that this process is dividing the semicircle into 6 equal parts. The reason why we are doing 6 equal parts is because the polygon has 6 sides. Now the next step is you draw A2. So this is the second side of the required polygon. So in this case, you take from the first, you ignore the first division aside the base. So let's call this will be the first division aside the base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then we have the base of 6. So we're going to ignore the first and take the second. So this second division corresponds to the second side of the polygon. So ticking it. Now the next step is you bisect that second side and AB. So bisect the second side here. So let's bisect AB first. Then we'll do that. So, and then we'll also bisect the second side. This also bisect a line. So we draw the bisector, the perpendicular bisector. So from here to we'll also draw the perpendicular bisector. And then this will intersect at a point which is the center of that polygon. So when we draw the circle, there isn't enough space here, but I'll still be able to demonstrate much. Open to B, open to A. Then we'll draw a circle through A, B, and that point. So in essence, at the end of the day, when we transfer the length AB on that circle, so from A to B, when we transfer it, so A to B, we transfer that same length, we'll transfer along the circle and we join them, we'll get that polygon. So this is how to draw a polygon when given just the length of the sides.